I'm going to show you how to do the perfect wrapping for your bouquet. We've got the outer edges for the bouquet, which is some lovely tissue on cellophane, and I have two pieces like so. So you need to think about the best side of your bouquet and where you'd like to place the bow. So I'd like to think that this is my best side of the bouquet. So I'm actually going to put the cellophane at the back and place the bouquet upside down and literally almost like a collar tap down the sides of the cellophane with the tissue. Now you need to secure the sides, either sides, with a little bit of sellotape. Now the other piece of the cellophane place on the other side of the bouquet, and again pat it down like so. And then use your amazing sellotape again to finish off the sides. And there you go, you've got a lovely edging with the pop of blue around the collar of your bouquet.